Good morning to one and all. My name is Sureshu. I am coming from Tirusamudramu. My qualification is MSc, BEd and DEd. My subject is in high school physics. In the primary section, we are discuss about the science subject. Okay, na? So today we are discussing about the fifth class, term 1, semester 1. The lesson name is the rocks. So today we will discuss about the fifth class, term 1 semester. The chapter name is the rocks. Okay, now so mainly in this chapter we are discuss about the what is the definition of the rock and how to form the rocks and types of the different types of the rocks and their example. Okay, now the fifth chapter name is the rocks and minerals. So today we are only discuss about the rock. Okay, now so first of all, did you know the mountains, stones, pebbles and jumps? These all came from the rocks. Did you know the mountains, stones, pebbles and jumps and jumps. So these all came from the so mountains, stones and pebbles and jumps. These all came from the rocks. Okay, now did you see the mountains? For example of the mountains Himalaya and Everest. These are the mountains. Stones, we are see the number of stones in our surroundings. Next pebbles and jumps. Jumps means diamond, kohinoor, vajrams. Okay, now so these all came from the rocks. So these came from the rocks. Okay, now so let's do in this lesson we are discuss about the how to form the rocks and how to form the minerals and the use of the minerals. First of all, we are discuss about the rocks definition. For example, rocks are solid mineral substances found on the earth surfaces. Rocks are solid mineral substances found on the surface of the earth. Where did you find on the rocks? These are rocks. Rocks are solid substances found on the earth surfaces. So for example, mountain we are seeing on the only surface of the earth. Stones we are seeing on the surface of the earth. Pebbles also we are seeing on the surface of the earth. Next, jumps also we are seeing on surface of the earth. How to form the rocks? Rocks are solid and minerals. Minerals substances found on the earth surfaces. Many metals and minerals are obtained from the rocks. Many metals and minerals are obtained from the rocks. Many minerals and metals are obtained from the rocks. Okay, now so many minerals and metals are obtained from the rocks. Okay, now so today we are discussing about the new chapter. The chapter name is the rocks and minerals. Okay, now Did you know the all numbers see the mountains, stones, pebbles and gems? These all are obtained from the came from the rocks. Okay na. Next, what is that? In this chapter we are discussing about the what is the definition of the rocks, how to form the rocks and different types of the rocks. Okay na. First of all, the rocks are solid and mineral substances found on the surface of the earth. Where did you found on the rocks? The rocks and mineral. The rocks are solid mineral substances found on the earth surfaces, and also many metals and minerals are obtained from the earth. Obtained from the earth. Next, we are discussing about the first how to form the rock. How to form the rock. Next, we are discussing about the how to form the rock. How to form the rock. Okay, first of all, rocks definition. Rocks. Okay, na. The action of wind and rain affect the formation of the rocks. The action of wind and rain, effects of wind and rain, effects and formation of rocks. Okay na. How to form the rocks? The action of wind and rain affects the and formation of the rocks. How to form the rocks? So in number of years, number of days, the action of continuously wind and rain affects the formation of the rocks. Okay, formation of again we are classify the different types. The rocks are divided into three types. The rocks are different types. First of all, okay na. First of all, we discuss about three types. The rocks are divided into three categories. First one is the igneous rocks. Next, second one is the sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks. Third one is the metamorphic rocks. Okay na. How many types of the rocks? There are divided into three types. First one is the igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rock. Okay na. Mainly today we are discussing about the what is the definition of the rocks, how to form the rock, and where did you found of the rocks and types of the rocks. Are understanding all numbers? Once again I will recollect the today information. Okay na. The chapter name is the rocks and minerals. Okay na. Did you see the mountains, stones, pebbles and gems? These all are came from the rocks. These all are came from the rocks. And what is the definition of rocks? The rocks are solid mineral substances found on the earth surfaces. And many metals and minerals are obtained from the rocks. Okay na. Next, what is the definition of the rock? What is the definition of the rock? The action of wind and rain affects the formation of the rocks. The rocks are divided into three types. First one igneous rocks, second one sedimentary rock, and third one metamorphic rocks. Okay, understanding all numbers? Thank you.